Discover the LEVOIT Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier, perfect for your bedroom, nursery, or office. This remarkable device boasts a spacious 2.5L tank that ensures quiet operation for up to 25 hours on low, providing rapid relief from congestion and dry throats. With an easy top fill design, you can effortlessly refill the tank without any mess or turning the water tank over. Simplicity at its best. Cleaning is a breeze with LEVOIT's innovative big opening and base without nooks. The detachable components simplify maintenance, leaving no hard-to-reach corners. It operates silently, with noise levels as low as 26 dB, creating a peaceful atmosphere for your restful sleep or quiet work environment. Adjust the mist output with just one knob and direct it freely with the 360-degree nozzle for full control over your air humidifier. The LEVOIT Classic 160 comes equipped with a user-friendly design, a generous set of included components, and even boasts a 2-year warranty to ensure your peace of mind. With over 41,000 satisfied customers rating it 4 out of 5 stars, this humidifier truly delivers on its promise for efficient, quiet, and easy operation. Experience the soothing benefits of optimal air moisture today. Try the LEVOIT Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier now.